Hello and welcome to the WEET. Today we will be discussing about contempt of court. आसान शब्दों में हम contempt of court के बारे में बात करेंगे और contempt of court होता क्या है और why it is a news and what are the punishments if someone is found guilty in the case of contempt of court and when the guidelines of contempt of court is issued. So before that I request you to kindly subscribe to our channel. So let's begin. As you know that K.K. Venugopalan, the Attorney General of India, has recently given a nod to pursue a case of contempt of court against someone who has violated the norms by criticizing Supreme Court of India in aftermath of Arnab Goswami's bail. So let's discuss on which parameters, on which guidelines a court can issue orders, punishments under contempt of court. What is contempt or what is contempt of court? Contempt of court, often referred to simply as contempt, is the offense of being disobedient to a disrespectful towards a court of law and its officers in the form of behavior that oppose or defies the authority, justice and dignity of the court. So that means contempt means you are being disobedient of some authorities and you are not obeying to the rules or not following the guidelines, the rules and not adequately respecting the court orders. So this is contempt of court. जब आप किसी का अवमानना करते हैं उसी को contempt of court कहा जाता है. हिंदी में इसे कोर्ट का अवमानना ही माना जाता है. I think many of you know that recently Prashant Bhushan was fined ₹1 for contempt of court. He has made some derogatory tweets about Supreme Court judges, CJI of India, Chief Justice of India. Hence he has been punished with a token punishment, token fine that is of ₹1. Okay. So let's see what are the other guidelines in this issue. Under Article 129 and 142 of the Constitution, the Supreme Court has been vested with the power to punish for contempt of court, including the power to punish for contempt of itself. So, according to the articles of 129 and 142 of our revered Constitution, the Supreme Court has the power, Supreme Court के पास ये पावर है कि वो किसी को भी इसके अवमानना के तहत या फिर किसी दूसरे कोर्ट के अवमानना के तहत उसे पनिश कर सकता है. एंड कोर्ट कैन इनिशिएट प्रोसीडिंग्स इन केस समवन इज फाउंड गिल्टी ऑफ misbehaving or misrepresenting the court orders. Okay, so let's move to the next point. The rules of this matter is described under Contempt of Courts Act 1971 and rules to regulate proceedings for contempt of Supreme Court 1975. Contempt of court means civil contempt or criminal contempt. Okay, so according to the rules there are two contempts. There are two types of contempts. One may be featured as, one may be described as civil contempt and the other one is the criminal contempt. Okay. So, and the rules were defined under the Contempt of Court Act 1971 and rules to regulate proceedings for contempt of Supreme Court 1975. Okay. So, civil contempt means willful disobedience to any judgment, decree, direction, order, writ or other process of a court or willful breach of an undertaking given to the court, and criminal contempt means the publication, whether by words spoken or written or by signs or by visible representation or otherwise of any matter or the doing of any other and whatsoever. Okay. So civil contempt means, civil contempt का अर्थ ये होता है कि जानबूझकर अगर आप किसी जजमेंट या डिक्री की अवमानना करते हैं या फिर उसे मानने से इनकार करते हैं, दिस इज सिविल कंटेम्प्ट. ठीक है. क्रिमिनल कंटेम्प्ट क्या होता है? अगर आप किसी डिक्री के खिलाफ, किसी जजमेंट के खिलाफ या ट्विटर में हो या फिर किसी पब्लिक फोरम पे या फिर किसी के सामने अगर आप उसका आलोचना करते हैं तो उसे क्रिमिनल कंटेम्प्ट माना जाता है. द रिसेंट केस which our Attorney General has referred to the Supreme Court and approved for a proceeding is criminal contempt. Okay. So Attorney General, who is the Attorney General of India? Attorney General is government's authority. Okay. is government's advocate. Okay. So contempt of court. In case of contempt of court, may take action suo motu on a petition made by Attorney General or Solicitor General. On a petition made by any person, and in the case of a criminal contempt, with the consent in writing of the Attorney General or the Solicitor General. Okay. So the case of contempt of court can be taken by suo motu automatically, or by a petition made by the Attorney General, or a petition made by any other person. Okay. So there are three ways on which this case of contempt of court may proceed further. Okay. So in this case, Skand Bajpayee, a law student, wrote to Attorney General and said in his letter that seeking consent to initiate proceedings under section 15 subsection 1b of the Contempt of Court Acts 1971, read with the rule 3 of the rules to regulate proceedings for contempt of the court 1975. A contempt of court may be punished with simple imprisonment for a term which may extend to 6 months, or with the fine which may extend to 2000 rupees, or both. So what could be the maximum punishment in a contempt of court case? It could be imprisonment for 6 months, maximum up to 6 months, or with a fine which may extend to rupees 2000. Okay. So up to 2000 rupees, or it could be both, fine of 2000 or imprisonment of 6 months, both. So इस केस में मैक्सिमम 6 महीने का आपको इम्प्रिजनमेंट मिलता है, आपको 6 महीने के लिए कारागार में रहना होता है, या फिर अप टू 2000 रुपए तक आपको फाइन देना होता है. ठीक है, या फिर बोथ. So this is the end of the edition. I would request you to kindly subscribe us, and don't forget us to follow in the social media channels that are there in the description. We are recommending you the best of Indian constitution books on description. Thank you.